This is your rare opportunity to own this brand new home in Northcliff, Johannesburg, constructed by my team and I at Flipping Johannesburg. This is Project W and it's officially for sale. This classic Tuscan home will have you shouting wow while rendering you completely speechless all at the same time. Revel in the enduring all-new cobble and flagstone pavers. Feel the charm of the restored wooden windows and French doors. Savor each moment in the stunner of a kitchen that is seriously worth flipping out over. Admire the custom cabinetry transforming the TV area into a refined statement piece. Indulge in the breathtaking outdoor shower, perfect for hot summer nights or a brave cold plunge. Unwind in the landscaped garden, surrounded by established greenery and lush ivy walls. Relish your self-sufficiency with a borehole, automated irrigation, water backup tank, and solar system. One can only bask in the thoughtfully conceived design, from chic feature tiles to the warm natural timber tones, all softened by white accents inside and out. Transformed into a one-of-a-kind home, going from this before to this after, and from this before to this after. We invite you to realize your dream of owning this renovated masterpiece. Contact our exclusive listing agents, Arthur Barron Estates, all details below, and I'll see you at the open house.